If you wish to escape the hustling city of Malvan, please venture into the rock garden, which is located right behind the market area and right next to the Arabian Ocean. As you enter this, right next to the parking lot, you find a food court that offers you an array of snacks from chaats to roasted corn and also different kinds of faluda ice creams. This park is beautifully maintained for a nominal fee of only 5 rupees per head, which comes to approximately 7 cents per head. Peace right in the middle of chaos is what describes this place aptly. This place offers you views of spectacular sunset and is excellent for photography. A relaxing stroll through this park offers you views of beautiful rocks, sunset, and splashing waves that hit these rocks. You may also be lucky enough to spot some crabs, slugs, and other marine creatures. After a long stroll at this park, we eventually started starving, and the best thing to do the next was having a beautiful dinner at Chaitanya restaurant, which is a number one seafood restaurant in the Malvan city. When passion for your work comes before money, all you deliver is nothing but the best is what the owners of Chaitanya teach us. I found their menu to be one of the best, offering excellent array of seafood dishes. They also have a sister concern called as Ubuntu, which offers you continental delicacies, and both are equally good. Chaitanya takes delight in serving you some of the local sharbats or sorbets, which are made from local berries and fruits. My daughter ordered her Italian meal from Ubuntu Cafe, which is right next door, and they're sweet enough to offer you both menus in one restaurant itself. While I had the traditional seafood platter, which is one of the best things to order if you're here in Chaitanya. In spite of the space constraints, their kitchen is beautifully maintained and organized in order to serve all of your orders in a professional and a timely manner. Meet the friendly staff who smiles at you in spite of the temperatures that they work in. This is the main chef of restaurant Chaitanya. आपलं नाव काय?
राजा बाबूराय. राजा बाबूराय.
Raja Babu Rai. He is the one who makes all these special creations, which we just tasted, and they were absolutely scrumptious. Thank you so much. खूप छान जेवण आहे.
ही आमची स्पेशल वेज आहे.
ओके. आणि हे तुमचं थालीचं सगळं म्हणजे एकदम स्मार्ट टीम आहे तुमची. Right next to Chaitanya restaurant is one of the most renowned place for desserts and for cold drinks, which is called as a Yashashri cold drink house. Trust me guys, in Malvan ambience is not important, but the quality of the product that they serve is absolutely top notch. Do not miss having their most popular desserts, which are either the kulfi faluda or the mango mastani.
perfect ending to a happy meal.